So we're going to get into the first movement. We're going to use a foam roller. So what we want to try and focus on whenever we're trying to do these is your knee. The problem with whenever you have pain in your knee, it's happening because of tissues and tissues and those things and muscles all around your knee. So that's what we need to focus on, is relieving different tension and also stretching out and getting blood flow back to your muscles and those different tissues all around your knee. Because if we try to go right on the knee, it's not going to really do anything. You're not going to feel any better after that. So first thing is we're going to use a foam roller, and what we're going to do is we're going to roll out our thighs here. All right, so this is going to be the first movement that we have. So you can put the foam roller just on the ground, just like I have it, and then you'll put both thighs on the foam roller. Eventually you can go into one thigh to get a little bit deeper into it, but we're going to put both of them on. So you're just going to roll right on, and then you're going to start feeling a lot of pressure. It may be a little bit uncomfortable as you start rolling back and forth, and if you're sore, you'll definitely feel it. But this way, we try and get fresh blood flow back to those muscles, and also we kind of stretch them and lengthen them out a little bit. That way it starts to relieve a lot of tension, because normally whenever your knee starts to feel a lot of pain, it's because your muscles are getting too tight, and so we need to help and lengthen those muscles and get fresh blood flow going to them. So we can roll out our thighs this way. You'll just kind of roll up and down. Once you find a tender spot, you'll just kind of sit there and roll back and forth on it. So this is with both your legs on the foam roller. We can also go to just one, and that way I can kind of go a little bit and turn a little bit, get more a different spot, and then I can go to the IT band and roll out that as well, because that's a spot that's normally neglected when rolling. And then if you need to, you can get the inner thigh. So you'll then turn foam roller and put your inner thigh on the foam roller, and then you'll roll up and down there as well. You'll go all the way towards the knee, but you don't want to go right on the knee. All right, so we're just focusing on your quads and IT band and those muscles and help lengthening these. All right, and you can sit here and do that for a few minutes in each different spot, but this is going to be the first exercise. So using the foam roller on this one, this will help a lot when trying to relieve the tension and those things in your muscles for your knee pain. So you can get a foam roller anywhere, it's pretty cheap, but that's going to be the first tool that we use for this exercise.